We want to get the customer written up as fast as possible, and using canned jobs is one of the ways that we can do that. So let's take a look. There are shops out there that still handwrite repair orders, and there's shops out there that use computers, and what they do is every time a vehicle comes in, they actually still type out the whole job. In Pennsylvania, we have a state inspection here, and this is my speed of writing up the Pennsylvania state inspection. And I got news for you, I'm not going to impress anybody. But if I had to do this every time a vehicle came in, and this is going to be multiple times a day in this state, imagine how much time I'm going to use just writing up every ticket. And look, I cheated here. I put the bottom in and skipped it. But now, once I put all that stuff in and check my spelling and whatnot, I got to go and enter it on the ticket. And it's time to go do it all over again because there's going to be multiple lines on this ticket that need to be done. So hopefully you can see that this is going to take a lot of time. But if you can go into your management system and build canned jobs, invest the time up front, watch how much quicker this is going to be. Just tap on these different lines, hit OK, and voila, you have 3 items already on the ticket. And if you tap on any one of them, you have everything already in place that you need. This is a big time saver. So, canned jobs. They are available in most management systems, and they're going to save you time. Yes, you have to invest up front. They're going to give you full details because you write it out once and it has everything you need, and they're going to make you consistent for your techs and your customers to understand what's going on. You can also use canned text in other places such as digital inspections. And here, the canned text is what did the tech find? That's a note. What's the recommendation to take care of that note? And finally, the estimates can actually be built out of this canned text too. So think about the time being saved not typing. So here's the technician doing an inspection point. Wipers are bad. Tap, tap, and tap, and that's already in. Then the recommendation, of course, in this case is going to be, hey, let's replace those wipers. Tap, tap. All right, it's red. It needs to be done today. It's a safety issue. Hit OK, tap. And notice also that we're putting a canned job right in the estimates. Yes, building canned jobs is going to take time up front. But here's the thing. Every time you use a canned job, you're getting paid back from that initial investment. So take a look at how you do your business and start building those canned jobs because you'll see a great difference in the future.